Hi, my name's Mark Dharma and my wife and I own a brand named Swirly Curly Hair. So we've been using Zipify now for 2 or 3 years because we wanted a quick and easy way just to build pages, A/B tests, different pages, product pages. And at first it was just me and my wife in the business, kind of customer service agent. So it was really me. I just wanted an easy way for me to create new product pages, for me to do quick A/B tests, and just really simplify the whole process and reduce the time I was spending doing stuff on the website, which it helped. Nowadays we have a team of 9. So nowadays what we love about Zipify is that my team members can quickly and easily build pages, whether we just want an opt-in page for a particular giveaway we're doing, or an event, a sales page for a sale like Black Friday sale or whatever. Or one of the things that really worked well for us was using one of the new Zipify mini site templates when launching new products. We did our best ever product launch with really high conversion rates because of this particular mini site template that we just pulled from Zipify, which saves me a hell of a lot of time. So this is the mini site, really great. The idea is that you can highlight one particular product in just 4 pages here. So it tells about the story of the product. These mini sites are just really quick loading sites, optimized for mobile, where someone can quickly learn everything they need to learn about a product and then shop. Highly effective launch campaign came from it, and we made lots of money, and it was really easy. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do. Just hit new page, go over to anything you want: sales pages, landing pages, pre-sale pages, opt-in pages, product pages. But let's choose mini site because that's what it's. Here's a template. Hit use template, go mini site, boom. It's going to create all these top converting pages that have already been tried and tested with Boom. We just went in, changed the language so it's our brand, our product. It didn't take us long at all to do. We have a lot of pages that we have built on Zipify, and we use a split test. We also use all the blogs. I highly recommend you use Zipify because it's quickly and easily you'll be able to build new pages and split tests. I highly recommend Zipify Pages because it's so easy. Anyone in your team will be able to do it, and that's going to free up a hell of a lot of your time. So I absolutely recommend Zipify Pages.